Activating licenses on an on-premises online license server is a breeze. My name is Marcel and I'm going to show you how to do it. You will need the activation ID of the license package you want to activate. Please see our video about how to get your activation IDs for more information. Now open the Tosca license configuration and click Activate. Select the license server option and confirm with OK. Paste the activation ID of your license package and enter the number of licenses you want to activate. You can activate multiple different license packages in a single step by clicking the plus icon. This will allow you to add additional activation IDs. Clicking on Activate Licenses will confirm the activation. If this is the first time you activate licenses on a specific license server, you will be prompted to enter your license server address and port. Enter the IP address or host name of your license server. The default port is 7070. If you set a different port during server installation, please enter the respective port number. Clicking OK will confirm the activation. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact us at license@tricentis.com for licensing questions or support@tricentis.com for technical questions. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.